over this BNCF 13-inch tablet. Now check this thing out. If you're like me and you know what, you just need a good solid tablet for, you know, what's a wide variety of things. This is what I recommend. I've already been using this off and on over the next past few weeks here. Let me just show you everything you get in the box here. You know what, I think that's it. We'll put the box aside. You get a brick right here, a USB-C cable. Let's go ahead and peel that back off. I'll put it back on there for the purpose of this video. Look at the size of the screen, everybody. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put it in this holder right here. We'll go ahead and start it up. To start it up, there's a button right here on the top. Gonna put this thing to the test for y'all. By the way, this is this Phison. I really like this tablet holder right here. Look at this tablet holder. Got a little spot down here for some pens, random stuff. Okay, now that it's started up here, let me just go over the tablet real quick. Look at how responsive this screen is. We go down to storage. You can see the storage here. It's got 256 gigs total of storage. I've already used up 20 in it. You got a storage manager, different types of like settings if you want to change some stuff around. Let's go down to About Tablet. You can see the RAM on it is 6 gig plus 14 gigs of RAM. The screen is a 1920 by 1200. Battery is a 10,000 milliamp battery. The CPU is a T16 Octa-Core processor up to 1.8 gigahertz. The rear camera is a 16 megapixel and the front is a 8 megapixel. And you know what? Let's hit some more. And then to adjust it, you know, you can pull down right here. Just anybody that's used these before, you know, you got the do not disturb, the flashlight, basically anything that's on a normal Android phone. You can cast this to a other top of your TV or whatever. Let's turn this one on, move the camera back, let it go through the loading. It's gonna load real quick and then I'll show you this. Super responsive, and it had enough power to run these games with no problem. I do a lot of racing games and I think this is a perfect device for that. Okay, I had to mute the music because you know what? They don't like hearing music on here for copyright reasons, so I went ahead and turned the music off. All that you're gonna hear is the sound effects. Now, you can drive this. Look at how responsive this is, everybody. Change camera angles there. Oops, I just wiped out. Let's try that again. Now this game does not allow you to hit anything, so you got to be very careful. Slow down. But what I'm showing you guys is how responsive this is. And I'm playing, oh, they pulled out in front of me. I'm doing this on the screen. All right, I went ahead and loaded Sonic here. I'm just gonna show you how well this Sonic Run works on here. This is another great one right here. So you're gonna hold it kind of like a big telephone and you can kind of go over, and I'm just gonna show you how responsive this thing works. Yeah, this thing works great, everybody. I don't see any issues with this tablet at all. How do you get out of this? It comes in this nice case. I really like the way this case is right here too. This case can run by itself. You can just prop it up. It's actually got a pretty good camera on this thing. My main use of this is going to be as a gaming device, as an all-around kind of internet tablet, whether it's social media or anything like that. I highly recommend this tablet for anyone that's just looking for a good solid tablet for gaming, social media, or watching videos or something like that. There it is, everybody. That's all I got on the BNCF 13-inch tablet. See you on the next video.